Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how to buy domain name and hosting from weboraclehost.com, right? So as you can see, you type weboraclehost.com, it brings you to this page, and this is the page. Look at how seamless and beautiful it is. So one place I want you to focus on, right, is these plans. As you can see, we have DMCA and we have shared hosting. DMCA is for websites that are downtime sensitive, websites that are prone to suspension, bringing down, online banking, BTC investment, Korea, and the likes. Then when it comes to shared hosting, you click on shared hosting here, you see that it's just for normal websites, business websites, and all of that. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to focus on DMCA, right? So first thing you want to do is to click on login or register here, over here at the menu. If you click on it, it will load up, or you can just use this register button or login, whichever one will serve. So when you click on login and register, bring it to this page. So if you have an account already, you just log in, right? But if you don't have an account, all you have to do is to register. Click on register here, right? Click on register. As you can see, you click on register, you fill up the whole detail you have to fill up, right? Then it will just take you to the dashboard. But let's assume you are done registering and you want to log in. I'll just show you how the interface is, right? So I just click on login. I have an account already, so I'll just click on login. Something very, very important I would love to show you when you log in. Sorry, I'm not logging in for the first time, so I already have an active product here. As you can see here, I have an active product here. But for you that you're coming in, everywhere will be blank, right? So all you will need to do is, let's assume you want to buy hosting, right? You can get your domain and hosting from us. Click on domain. You can see register a new domain, but let's say you want to get your domain name and hosting. Start by just clicking on domain here, on hosting rather. Here you see standard and DMCA. Like I said, we are focusing on DMCA server for downtime sensitive websites, those websites that are prone to downtimes, right? Stronger server, DMCA bulletproof, right? So you click on DMCA, you select DMCA under hosting drop down, you select DMCA, you allow it to load. So now that it has loaded, you choose between any of the plans here. Anyone can actually serve. The most popular is DMCA Alpha. You can register one domain under it, then Beta 5 domain. You can read it up, right? But for the purpose of this video, this short video, I'm going to click on DMCA Alpha, order now. Just click on order now. Host your websites without stress. Okay, so this is it. It has loaded. So you can see register a new domain. In your own case, if you want to register a new domain with WebOracle host, you can just type in the domain here and check if it's available and proceed. If you want to transfer your domain from another registrar, fine. If you want to use an existing domain and update name servers, let's assume you've bought domain from another registrar and you want to use WebOracle host, DMCA Bulletproof, right? You can click here to impute the domain you already bought, right? You can just click here to impute the domain you already bought and proceed. Then update the new name server. If you're having issues, if you are a newbie and you don't know how to update a name server, once you've gotten the hosting, you can reach out to us. On the home page, you will see a WhatsApp icon where you can just send us a message directly, and we'll get you sorted. But let's say you want to buy domain name and also everything from afresh. Let's type in the domain. Let's say your domain 1234, for instance. And let's click on check. We're checking the availability. Just let it do its thing. So as you can see, it is available right here. So continue to register this domain. It's 24,000, right? So we just continue. Click on continue, tap on continue. Allow it to load. You allow it to load. Okay, it has gotten here. right? Then forget about whatever is here, just click on proceed. ID protection, if you don't want your information to be available on the internet, you can check here, but it comes with an extra cost, right? But let's say you don't want it, you just click on continue. Okay, so this is where you now check out. As you can see, DMCA alpha is here and the domain name registration is here, right? As you can see, nothing more to do, just click on checkout. If you're not new to this space, you should know the advantage of DMCA server. So as you can see, if you come to here, you either choose bank transfer or online payment. Now if you choose bank transfer, you are going to, if you choose bank transfer and click on complete order, it will show you an account number where you just make transfer. But the disadvantage of this is it's going to be manually approved. So you are going to expect your order to be sorted within 2 to 24 hours, depending. But if you want something that happens automatically, you choose online payment gateway here. So when you choose online payment gateway, let's assume that's what we're using, you just click on complete order. So as soon as you are here, the next thing you have to do is forget about here, since you don't want to make a manual payment, just use pay with modifier, right? Click on pay with modifier for auto payment. Wait for it, stay patient. So as you can see, you have different options to pay with. You have transfer, you have card, you have USSD, you have phone number, depending on which one you want, right? But transfer is the most frequently used. Click on transfer to transfer. You can click on card if you have your cards, right, to make payments, right? But then let's use transfer. Whichever one you want to use is okay. So if you click on transfer, you see the account details here. So you make payments, you copy it and make payments. Once you are done, you just click on I have transferred the money. So once you made a payment and you click I've transferred the payment, the money, automatically you get you receive email with your details and everything, your SIPAN and all of that. I think that's it. That's that for that. Very, very simple. If you click on I've transferred the money, there will be a space for you to go back to your client area. But since I am not making any payment, this is just a demo. I just wanted to show you I'm going to be ending it. So thank you very much. You've seen how seamless it is. And then like I said, you know the advantage of using a DMCA Bulletproof server if you are not new to this space. So thank you very much. And if you have any issues, have any support related concern, you can always reach out. I'll be glad to assist. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.